wildfires.
Yeah, let's not get
Hailstorms.
Taking a beating here.
To close calls.
These are rare natural moments collected from around the world.
It seems like this wind in China didn't need a reservation for booking. It walked straight into the restaurant.
What are these mysterious black rings?
taang ka. Dekat sekali.
Transformer. Yep. Wow, that is crazy. Yeah, you gotta call the police or something.
These guys got caught in the wrong moment when trying to attempt a training session. Did that pig just get struck by lightning?
Recording live in the backyard.
Here in Wyoming, this person caught a tornado in action.
Well, it's actually a landspout.
Well, what's the difference?
Well, a landspout forms the ground upward, while a tornado forms from the rotating thunderstorm downward.
This is just crazy. Look at these birds. They're like everywhere, and thousands of birds.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. You may think this is another plane in the sky,
But if you look closely, this is actually a meteor passing by.
Are those shooting stars? What are those?
Look up, everybody! Look up! Look up!
Oh, guys, we're gonna get some. Oh, back up, Brad! Brad, back up! Back up, Brad! Back up! Back up!
This street corner in Texas suddenly took on a cinematic appearance when a flock of birds decided to show up at once, creating a mysterious scene.
From this intense moment, a woman uses her sharp mother instincts to protect her baby against the storm.
Have you ever witnessed a glowing cloud like this where you live?
It's amazing to see how dangerous these winds can be.
In Florida, the storm chasers had to withstand 120-mile-per-hour winds.
It is happening. Jim is all the way over there.
Don't you dare underestimate seagulls. They have very high intelligence, meaning they can plan observations to take advantage of feeding opportunities.
This man was lucky enough to capture Mother Nature striking other plans into Malibu Zuma Beach.
There was a huge jump about an hour ago that fell. Holy shit. Oh my god, this is scaring the shit out of me. Yeah, this is coming down. Holy sugar!
Whoa.
Holy crap! Oh my god!
Holy crap.
Spider update from yesterday.
Here is a clear example of how easy it is for small creatures to adapt and survive in harsh conditions.
This is the result after a mass flooding in Florida.
But over in Michigan, warmer temperatures caused the ice on Lake Michigan to crack, similar to a mosaic-like atmosphere.
Get inside! Get inside! Run! 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 Everybody go! 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 Stay away from the windows! Get away from the windows!
Thank you for watching the video until the end. Make sure to check out our other videos, otherwise we will not be able to pay the rent.